Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the number one place for entrepreneur moms who are engaging in content marketing so that they can drive traffic to their business in order to do business. Now, if you've been trying to draw traffic on YouTube to your channel and to your individual YouTube videos and you're having a hard time doing that, please allow me to explain why your YouTube tag strategy stinks, because you likely want to use your YouTube channel and the videos on it as part of your content marketing strategy for your business, mama. And stay until the end of this video because I've got a bonus tip that's just for entrepreneur moms that you don't see the typical YouTuber discuss, because let's face it, lots of the people who give out advice about YouTube on this platform aren't entrepreneur moms. So I'm going to show you how to fit this how-to advice into the real world of a working parent just like you. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real-world help that entrepreneur moms like you need to succeed when you're marketing your business online and through social media today. So super fast up front, in a recent video of mine, I covered why creating a trendy video stinks, which will keep you, entrepreneur mom, from wasting your time, because honestly, that sort of thing can hurt your channel more than it'll ever help it, and you don't want that. So be sure to check that video out after this one. Anyway, let's get into why your YouTube tag strategy stinks. Reason one, you're not using them. If you really didn't know what YouTube tags were or what to do with them or why they're important to the success of your channel, well, then I completely understand why you weren't using them. And while tags on YouTube are not a silver bullet, if you will, because nothing is, let's go over what they are, why they should be used for both your YouTube channel itself and your individual videos, and how they'll help you in a global sense. The next reason I cover in this video will get down to the entrepreneur mom content marketing nitty-gritty of things, so stay tuned for that too. Now, you see, YouTube tags, also known as video tags, are words and phrases used to give YouTube context about a video. Tags are considered an important ranking factor in YouTube's search algorithm. Not a silver bullet, but they help YouTube in terms of its algorithmic matchmaking as it goes out to find people to draw to your video. And by proxy, your YouTube channel, voila, as they call it, suggested search. And your tags help the humans who are engaging in searching up content that they want on YouTube, which is only the second largest search engine on earth. So when you place tags on your YouTube channel itself and tags on your individual YouTube videos, yes, you are helping both the humans and the robot. You're helping the humans who are searching for content to binge on to find you, and you're helping the robot or the YouTube AI or artificial intelligence find more people just like those humans find your video too. How nice, right? Put another way, YouTube tags are important because they help YouTube grasp both your video's content and context. If YouTube can understand your video's topic and category and associate it with similar content, this can amplify your video's reach because it can rank in search for that topic, let's say, and YouTube can engage in more effective matchmaking on the platform. The whole goal of the algorithm run by YouTube's AI is to keep people on the platform so that sooner or later they'll see more ads. That's a huge part of how YouTube makes money, ads. So it wants to help you out because your content can get more viewers happily binging away, which helps YouTube out. It's a win-win. But if you don't use tags, then no one can find you in search at all or well, and YouTube has no clue what to do with you either. No great digital matchmaking for you then. So tags are really keywords that people can search on to find your videos so that they can consume the content they want to consume, meaning binge the content they're searching on. Want to add tags to your YouTube channel to help YouTube AI figure out what you are all about. Plus, surprise, people do search for channels specifically on the platform and not just individual videos. So yes, you do want to add tags to your YouTube channel. Here's how you do it. Go to your YouTube studio, click the setting tab on the left sidebar, and then a box appears, and at that point you want to select channel, and from there you should be on the basic tab automatically, and this is where you'll add in your channel tags. That helps you out a lot, mama. For your YouTube channel, start with the most important tags to your channel, and then keep adding tags until you've maxed them out. But I believe that each one of your channel tags should involve a common thread. Not just what your brand is about or what your business is about, but the intersecting interest that's going to cause your ideal customer to search on content that would have to do with topics or subjects where your products and or services are a great solution to your ideal customer's problems and or desires that need to be solved or satisfied. For your individual YouTube videos, take a look the next time you go to upload one of them. You'll do this by going to your YouTube account and clicking on the camera icon that likely says the word create on it. Then you'll select upload video from your choices and then select your video to begin the upload process. While the video's uploading, you're in what YouTube calls the upload flow. And after naming the video and giving it a description, scroll down because you'll want to tap or click on the word more options, and then you'll see the box to add in your tags for that individual video. But you know, not using tags for your YouTube channel and or its videos is just one reason why your YouTube tag strategy stinks. Here's another reason too. You're not using them properly. So make sure that your first tag that you enter is the exact word-for-word keyword that you want to rank for. That's likely involving the title of your video, so copy and paste that directly in there if you're smart. But if you're not sure why this would be the case or how to title your video properly in the first place so that it ranks best for search, be sure to subscribe to my channel because that video is coming out as a part of the series. After that first tag has been entered, it's my opinion that you should put as many keywords or tags as possible, up to the 500 character limit. But remember what you want to rank your video content for. As an entrepreneur mom, really should connect with, yes, what your video is about, but also, yes, the problem that your customer wants solved and or the desire that they want satisfied, that the products and or services that your business supplies can help them out with. That should be the whole point of the video you've created, addressing problems, needs, and desires that exist and showcasing your products or services as solutions to those problems. Otherwise, what the heck are you doing creating videos on YouTube? The whole point of your video content on YouTube should be to drive qualified buyers to your business's YouTube channel, one video at a time, and after your qualified buyer gets to know, like, and trust your business enough from, say, watching your YouTube videos, they'll hopefully choose to get on your email list in order to get a coupon or some digital goodie in exchange for their email address. And then, sooner or later, they'll actually redeem the coupon, let's say, in order to buy from you at a discount. And if you don't know how you'd get that qualified buyer to go from watching your YouTube video onto your email list, don't worry, subscribe to my channel. That video is coming in this series, and trust me, it's going to help you out a lot in terms of not just getting views while you snooze, thanks to YouTube, but sales while you snooze too. Anyway, be sure to put yourself in the shoes of your ideal customer as they search away on YouTube when they're putting keywords or search terms in the search box on YouTube. What are they searching for? Those should be your tags. Yes, tags can involve more than one word, and there can be a space in between each word. These are YouTube tags, not Instagram hashtags we're talking about after all. You can type in words and spaces, and when you're done with a particular tag, press or tap enter and you should be good to go. Move on to the next tag until you run out of room. You have 500 characters maximum, and trust me, they go quick. YouTube heavily accounts for your video's first few tags when ranking content in their search results, especially the first tag. So make sure your first few tags represent search terms that your people are most likely to search on with intent to buy. I love the TubeBuddy keyword tool feature for this purpose. It helps me brainstorm on and find the search terms to use as tags that I can actually be competitive for as well against other creators who are publishing similar content on YouTube. And you know what? There's a free version of TubeBuddy that you can use that'll help you with exactly that. Check out the link in the description below. Yes, I'm an affiliate, so if you upgrade to a paid version of it, I will get a commission, but all that does is help me to create more free content for you to enjoy on my YouTube channel. It's a win-win, right? But this isn't a free trial. It's a free version that you can keep using for as long as you want until such time as you want or need to upgrade. So that's pretty nice. So if you're not using your tags properly to be found in search by a member of your niche who's got an intent to buy, that may be another reason why your YouTube tag strategy stinks. But we're not done. On to the next reason. Reason 3. You're using them super wrong. Look, do not use tags that have nothing to do with the content of your video, okay? YouTube's AI is very smart for something that does machine learning. If you use a tag that has nothing to do with the words that you say and or what's covered in your video, the AI is going to know it. Scary, right? And then you're going to get penalized by the AI's algorithm, which will not suggest you out. It will not help you out in the slightest, and you can be violating YouTube's guidelines and policies, which means you could get punished, even to the point of possibly losing your channel. So don't do that. Don't use a tag that's connected to PewDiePie, for example, if you don't mention PewDiePie in your video. That'll violate the guidelines and policies for sure. Also, don't engage in spam tagging, which means that you're keyword stuffing or using the same tag over and over again. YouTube doesn't like that either. So if you've been using either of these dubious tagging methods, please stop now. It's not going to help you and in fact will likely hurt you, which may be just another reason why your YouTube tag strategy stinks. And now, Entrepreneur Mom bonus tip. Know your why. You're a super busy person just because you're a mom and then you decided you wanted to be an entrepreneur on top of it. Well, you've got your hands full. And maybe after listening to this video, you're like, well, I don't know how to create search terms for my YouTube videos because I don't really know how to narrow down on my niche enough to know what they're even specifically searching on. And you know what? How can I figure out what they need when I'm probably struggling with what I even need? I've got so much going on. Well, as it turns out, I've got a playlist on my YouTube channel that can help you out in terms of getting narrowed down in terms of both your personal and professional why or reason for living your life, both personally and professionally. That might get you going in the right direction. I'll put the playlist down in the show notes below, and I'll make sure that it's the top comment pinned to this video. Now, if you want to know what not to do in your YouTube videos, like flat out, please stop, because that'll affect your AVD or average view duration, which is so critical because that might be a large part of why your YouTube videos and channel overall aren't doing so well. Well, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and select all so that you can follow along with this entire YouTube series that I've got to offer you. In the meantime, while you're waiting for that video, be sure to check out these two awesome videos as well because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot when you do that. And of course, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.